Hello students, in this video of ours, we are going to learn about another phylum of animal kingdom, and that is Aschelminthes. Aschelminthians are also called roundworms commonly. Phylum Aschelminthes, the organisms, the members of this phylum, they are commonly called roundworms because their body is round. And most of them are parasitic, which are living in body fluids of host. That means they are also living inside the host. Their body is long and cylindrical, which is thread-like. So in some books, you will find the common name threadworms also, because their body is long and cylindrical, thread-like body. Here, the body is bilaterally symmetrical. That means the body can be divided into two halves through one plane only. They are pseudo-coelomates. That means true coelom is not yet been formed, and inside the in between the mesoderm you will find some mesodermal pouches and cavity. So that is pseudo-coelomate. And these animals, now they are having tube within a tube body plan. That means they are having separate openings for procuring food and for excretion. So they are having two openings, that is tube within the tube plan. Now here the body wall shows longitudinal as well muscles, but no circular muscles. That means they are having only the longitudinal muscles for the movement. And here the excretion takes place with the help of the pronephridia. The pronephridia is the structure which is helping in the excretion. Here the nervous system, you will find the nerve rings are there and nerve net is there. The transverse nerves are also present. And here you will find sexes are separate. You will find male and female separate. And another thing which you can see in this members of this phylum, that they show sexual dimorphism. That means you can make out which one is male and which one is female, because males are normally shorter than the females. So if you see the ascaris, the roundworm, which is the worm which we normally have when we have worms in our stomach. So that is the worm which is there in our stomach, which we take with our food in the form of eggs. So the males are shorter, and they are having a curved posterior end. The males are having curved posterior end with a pair of pineal setae, and this pineal setae is for helping in the reproduction. Female ascaris is longer with a relatively straight posterior. That means the end of the female ascaris is direct, long and straight, whereas in case of males, you will find a curved posterior end. See, if you see the diagram of female and male, here you can find this is the curved portion of the female, pineal setae. This helps in the sexual reproduction, to hold the female for the copulation. And here the excretory pores are there, pronephridias, and the pseudocoelom is there. Body is having cuticle, and the reproductive pores are there. Mouth and anus are separate openings because it is the tube within the tube plan. They are showing the pineal setae in case of the male roundworm, male ascaris. And if you see the mouth is having the dorsal lip, and the ventrolateral lips are there, and the mouth is present in between it. This is the transverse section of the mouth.